Welcome to Arduino for All. With years of experience in the industry, our true inspiration comes from something deeper, the creativity and passion to build. As kids, we dreamed of making the robots, machines, and inventions we saw in the movies. Today, we're here to share that dream with you. Learn how to bring your ideas to life, from simple projects to advanced systems, using Arduino, ESP32, NodeMCU, Node-RED, and more. You don't need a big budget, just the desire to learn. And if you've got the tools at hand, even better. Join our community, subscribe, and let's start creating together. This is Arduino for All, where ideas become reality.